Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Hi, friends. Hi. Can we still be friends? Hi. Yes. I'm Gleesy with the Lambily Garden. And I'm going to first start this video just by saying I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. I abandoned you guys, but one of the worst things that could happen with my garden happened, and it's taken me a long time to get over it. It really has. So let me tell you guys what happened. So the last video that I think that I posted was just talking about like the peppers and showing you guys like the tomatoes, and like if you were newer to my channel and you didn't go back and watch some of the older videos, my plan was to grow all of the veggies that my family would need throughout the winter, or the majority of them. And I was pretty successful. I had over 12 gallons of tomatoes. I had like 8 gallons of collard greens. I had like 8 individual bags of broccoli. And my plan was to process them. Only thing I was waiting for were my peppers. I was waiting for my peppers to process because I wanted to kind of do it all at once, make it a little kind of like bulk, so I could take like a weekend and do it and not have to like space it out. I just wanted it all done. Y'all, I had found jars on sale. Like, I was ready. And one night I had asked my husband to go downstairs and get some chicken strips or something out of the freezer, and he called me down there and our deep freezer went up. So it stopped working and we didn't know. So everything, and I mean everything that I grew all summer long was gone. It spoiled, it was bad, it was no saving it, no salvaging it. It was gone, and I was devastated. Like, I ain't let my husband see me, but y'all, I cried the thug tear. I was sad. I was really sad, and it was just like a whole summer of work that I did was just like gone, and it's taken me a long time to get over it. This was probably in like the end of October, because we were still having like really warm days, and I was still picking peppers like at the end of October. And you know, I'm in Maryland zone 7, and we have these ebbs and flows in the temperature. So it'll be hot and then it'll be like freezing, and then we'll have like warm days. So like we went from like 80s down to 60s, down to 40s, back to 70, down to 30. Like, the weather was crazy, but even with that, I was still able to grow a lot of stuff. So the only thing that I had left was some peppers that in my mind it wasn't enough to do with, and essentially I just gave majority of them away. I kept some of the red bell peppers because they were so pretty. I'll insert some pictures, but the peppers were so pretty. My son didn't believe me that the jalapenos were hot, and he decided to take a bite out of one. He won't do that again. But yeah, so it has brought me to this point. I want to say thank you to everyone who left comments like, girl, where you at? Sent me emails. Like, I have a few people like sent emails checking on me, and y'all, I'm humbled and I'm so grateful, and I'm so glad that I am over that. I'm over it. As you can see, obviously I'm not home. Well, you guys probably don't know that, but I'm not home right now. We are on vacation. And the day that we left for vacation, guess what came in the mail? Boop, boop. Yes. Y'all, this just gave me like a renewed hope. It just like lit a fire up under me, and y'all, I'm so ready to start growing again. I'm so ready to start growing. So I'm gonna go through this in a separate video, because there's some stuff in here that I want to grow. There's going to be some staples in my garden next year, and I'm gonna do a little bit better at checking my deep freezer. It's literally like the deep freezer that we don't really use. We had 2 deep freezers. One was a tall one that I kind of I mostly put my vegetables in, and then we had one that we kind of went in and out all the time. So the one that we didn't use is the tall one that went out, and I put my veggies in there because we didn't really go into it, so I didn't have to worry about, you know, anything. I think it was the electrical company fault though, because like for a week or so, like our power just kept flickering on and off, and I'm pretty sure what happened is like I don't know how to explain it because I'm not an electrician, but apparently you got to flip something back on to make sure that stuff is running, and I guess we didn't flip that back on. I don't know, but anyway, I'm over it. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. This is therapeutic. But yeah, so this Baker Creek magazine came in, y'all, and I'm just so excited. Like, not only am I going to grow everything that I need for my family this year, but I'm going to do a better job at processing it more in the moment so that I don't have this possibility of losing my stuff again. But yes, it's time to get started. I'm in deep Virginia, so this don't count because it's really nice outside. I think today is like almost 60 degrees. Back at home, we had snow 2 days ago, so I do want to go out and do a survey of my garden just to see kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm really excited because I'm gonna get to expand the garden next year. Where my shed was, we're gonna move that to the other side of the house, so I'm probably gaining like maybe 10 or 15 feet of gardening space, which is huge. Like, I could probably fit at least 2 raised beds over there, so I'm gonna be able to do. Y'all, these squirrels are like, they ain't scared of humans, but they keep rolling up on me. I don't play with squirrels. But yeah, so I could probably fit at least 2, maybe 1 8-foot raised bed and at least a 4-foot raised bed over there, which is a lot of growing space, especially since you guys know that I grow most of my stuff vertically. So I'm so excited. So I'm back. Lambily Garden is back. Y'all gotta tell me what's been going on. Like, when I say I completely distanced myself from gardening, like I wasn't watching no videos. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. I was just in my funk and I couldn't get out. But I'm out of it. Stuff happens, and you just got to take it as it comes and be able to move on from it. And that's what I'm trying to do, move on from it. So let's go. Like, it's December, y'all. You know, the new year means like it's almost time to get your seeds started inside, and I'm ready. If you're ready for this journey, make sure that you subscribe and join me in it. You know, my saying is, all you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. And I encourage everyone, whether you have 2 feet, 10 feet, 2 acres, whatever it is, grow something. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, like when my mom came and helped me. I think we were harvesting collard greens. Y'all, my mom has a whole container garden now. Like, she grew banana peppers, green beans, collard greens, mustards. Like, mama was doing her thing, and I'm so proud of her. And like, all she talked about this year is like how much more she wants to do. So I'm so excited for her. So maybe I'll do some like tours of her garden and kind of show you guys her little journey as well. But yeah, if I could get one person to start growing their own food, like, this is a success. So if you made it to this end of this video, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you guys, your not text, but your emails, your comments, your messages that you sent me. Like, I'm so grateful. I am fine. I am well. And I'm ready to get this next season started. All right. I'm gonna go and watch some videos because I miss y'all. I miss y'all so much. I'm so ready to see what y'all are doing in y'all gardens right now, because some of y'all probably are still able to garden. I can't really garden all year long. But yeah, I do have a couple videos that I'm going to put out of us harvesting some things and kind of like cleaning up the garden at the end of the season. But yeah, so stay tuned. All right, I see you guys in the next video. All you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.